All right, I wanted to show you tonight how to order numbers using the calculator that you have either on your phone or using the Desmos calculator. You need to be breaking down the numbers either in decimals and whole numbers. The first thing we're going to do is break down 89. It's going to stay the same, so we're going to write it just like that. Then we're going to put square root 56. And I want that decimal right there, 7.48331. So 7.48331. Negative 74 is going to stay the same, and I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to put 96 over 25 in a calculator, or I could use the Desmos. I'm using Photomath. And I'm going to put 96 over 25. And I want the decimal, not the fraction. 96 over 25 changes into 3.84. And then the last one is 25 pi. 25 pi or 25 times pi. But if I put it next to each other, it means it's going to multiply itself. So 25 times pi. Remember, I want the decimal. And 25 times pi is 78.53982. Okay, once I break it all down, I can now put it in order from least to greatest, or ascending order. Okay, I first look at negatives and positives, and this one only has one negative. The more negative it is, the smallest, and this is going to be the first one. Okay, then I'm going to write negative 74. Then the next one is going to be 3.84. But instead of 3.84, the original form is 96 over 25. The next one is going to be 7.48, but the original form is square root 56. And then the next one is going to be 78.5, which is 25 pi. And then the last one is 89. Okay, your answers are going to be in the original form. So you have the original form, you break them down to decimals, and then you put them in order from least to greatest and write it out. And then you can start eliminating answer choices by writing it correctly. Okay, make sure you start doing this on the next questions.